A clean heart is not about perfection, it's about position. The Bible says in Psalm 51, "Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me." David didn't say, "God, look at my perfection." He said, "God, cleanse me." That means even the strongest believers understand something. A clean heart is maintained, not assumed. What does it mean to have a clean heart? Your intentions are pure. Your spirit is not holding bitterness. Your thoughts are aligned with God. It doesn't mean you've never been hurt. It means you refuse to let hurt turn into hardness. Because the truth is, a dirty heart doesn't always look obvious. Sometimes it looks like quiet jealousy, hidden anger, unforgiveness you've justified. Smiling outside but heavy inside, but God doesn't look at appearances, He looks at the heart. This is why keeping your heart clean matters. The Bible says in Proverbs 4:23, "Guard your heart above all else, for everything you do flows from it." Everything flows from your heart. Your decisions, your relationships, your peace, your connection with God. If your heart is polluted, your life will feel heavy. But when your heart is clean, there is clarity, peace, and power. How do you keep your heart clean? 1. Daily surrender. You don't clean your heart once, you do it daily. Prayer is not just asking, it's releasing to forgiveness, even when it hurts. Forgiveness is not for them, it's for your freedom. Unforgiveness is a weight your spirit was never meant to carry. 3. Watch what you let in, what you listen to, watch and entertain. Enters your heart. Protect your spirit like it's sacred, because it is. 4. Stay close to God. You can't stay clean away from the source. God doesn't just clean you, He sustains you. The powerful closing God is not looking for a perfect heart. He's looking for a willing heart. A heart that says, "Lord, search me, clean me, renew me." Because when your heart is clean, you hear God clearer. You love deeper. You walk lighter. My final declaration, Lord, create in me a clean heart. Remove anything that is not like you. Teach me to forgive, to love, and to walk in purity. Let my heart be a place where your spirit dwells.